Food. She graduated. Sana all, yes I do. My is. Anong my is? Wow, dili pa pwede musuka. Musuka? Princess will be high school and I will be left alone. Wow. And then, my tita Day, where are you now? You in Philippines or Cebu? Yo, yummy. Let me eat my lunch a little bit. This is my lunch, rice and what's the name? Ano nga ani oy? Ham. I'm here in UAE, sana all mag-English speaking na balda ani ay. Yodto ta dai. Buwad. Ana ka kuan kugihan imong pinsan bisag nag-live. Bisag nagtaon nag-live. Tita, take care. Ay, beef loop pala. O nga pa, beef loop. Ano ba yan? Beef loop. I don't know what did I say. Abalago. Ham? Oh, yum, ham. Excuse me because I'm eating my lunch. Thank you, Belia. Hello, thank you. Para sa kakaunlad di Binsan. Sayang, mong channel Binsan eh. I said ham. Okay, yeah, I said ham. Did you eat already, ano, Belia? Had you eaten? I have to cover because you might see how is my eating. Big mouth. And then little buwag with my aunt. What is that? Musuka ko sa live ba? Buang. Ay, suka-suka liha. Suka mo ko. Pari ato yung mga amiga sa po. Kabisita ba dire palay. Nga patambay og mga 10 minutes. Akyat ba? Musaka ko sa live. Wala ko maka-StreamYard. Pwede ba ni? Direct